Well, today we are going to change this laptop's hard disk from your normal HDD hard disk, SATA hard disk to SSD hard disk. There's a big difference of price, and this is a Western digital hard disk, around three times the price of such hard disk. This is a 1 TB hard disk, 1 TB SSD. The one which I am having here is also 1 TB normal HD hard disk. I have to change it. This is much faster owing to the fact that there is no moving part inside it. It's a solid state device. And this is normal hard disk such. So the main things is a moving part. This is an Western digital hard disk, and let's open it up and see what's inside. Some instructions are written down over here in different languages. These are the numbers and everything. This is the green SATA 1 TB hard disk. Oh, it has 3 years warranty. In general, when you write in a hard disk, it is said that these hard disks, SSD hard disks usually have a life of 5 to 6 or 7 years max. Though Samsung has came up with a hard disk called Samsung 850 Pro, which is 1 TB, and they claim that Samsung's that hard disk is around 343 of lifespan. It has 343 years of lifespan, which is pretty impressive. Anyway, let's open this thing. First thing, before you open a laptop, always look at the battery. Batteries are usually locked. Battery. And this is very easy to open because it has special cutout cell to open it. But for other hard disks, for other PCs or laptops, they usually have to open up all the whole of the back portion. But over here it's really easy. That's it. Over here, you have two screws to use, make it loose. Take it out. The principle behind solid state drive is largely that there is no moving part. So this is, in general, in comparison with the traditional hard disk, it's faster because traditional hard disks have the read-write head on the mechanical arm, which is called the accurator. Thus, it is a little slower. This is the traditional hard disk. Let's proceed. I have to get out this little part from here because I want to fix it over there. These are actually similar to RAM, but they don't go out off. There's going to be a gap over here. We have to live with that. To be precise, they are using NAND flash, or what do you call that? NAND, the so-called NAND, because of the NAND gate technology that is being implemented over here. That's it. It has been installed. I'm going to put back the firmware. These are the RAMs. This is your manual SSD. I have to put back the screws also. That's it. And finally, I have to put in my battery. There, it's done. I have taken a backup of this, and all I have to do is put back the image over here. That's good to know.